Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Wix. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to manage your email marketing campaigns directly from your Wix dashboard, making it easier to connect with your audience and grow your business. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Open your browser and navigate to Wix, then log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your website. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look for the one labeled Apps and click on it. When you do, an expanded menu will appear with additional choices. From this expanded menu, click on App Market. This is where you'll find all the third-party applications that can enhance your Wix site's functionality. Now you're on the App Market page, where you'll see a variety of apps that are readily available for integration with your Wix account. To make things easier and save time, we'll use the search bar located at the top of the page. Type in Mailchimp and hit Enter. The search results will display apps related to your query, so take a moment to scan through them carefully. From the results, locate the Mailchimp app with the description that reads Boost Traffic with Email, SMS, and Automation. This is the official Mailchimp integration you're looking for. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Overview page. This page is quite informative, so I recommend reading through the features and pricing details for this integration. You'll also want to check out the reviews from other users to get a sense of how well the app performs and whether it meets your needs. Once you've reviewed everything and decided to proceed, click on the Add to Site button. At this point, you'll see a list of menus and functions that Mailchimp will request access to. These permissions allow the app to work seamlessly with your Wix site. You can click on each listed feature to read a more detailed description of what access it requires and why. If you're comfortable with the permissions and still wish to proceed, simply click on Agree and Add. This confirms that you're granting Mailchimp the necessary access to integrate with your site. The final step is straightforward. All you have to do is log into your Mailchimp account and authorize this integration. This links your Mailchimp account with your Wix site, allowing you to start creating and managing email campaigns directly from your Wix dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Mailchimp with Wix, giving you powerful email marketing tools right at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.